Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing, okay? It has a way of encouraging me to make more videos for you guys. So guys, in today's video, I'm actually going to share with you guys tips on how to ventilate fast, okay? You want to be ventilating so fast. In today's video, I'm going to show you people or tutor you people or share with you guys on experiences I've gotten so far on how you can ventilate fast. So guys, there's basically no magic. I must tell you, there's basically no magic on how to ventilate fast, okay? But in this video today, I'm going to share with you guys five tips or tricks that have been helping me to ventilate fast, okay? So let's just go ahead on the 5 different tips that will help you or allow you to ventilate so fast. So guys, the first tips that will allow you ventilate so fast is good sitting position. Guys, I must emphasize on this. This is so important. To avoid having back aches, you normally have back aches when you are ventilating or any kind of body pain when you are ventilating. Please consider choosing a very comfortable sitting position. For me, I ventilate, and most times I ventilate while sitting on my bed, okay? I use my pillow to lay my back on my pillow, then folding my legs in a squatting position. I place my mannequin head on my leg, and I ventilate. This position is so comfortable for me, guys. I've not seen any other comfortable ventilating position that works so magically for me than this, okay? So you should consider getting a very comfortable position. This will allow. Before now, I normally have back aches. I have back aches, body pain after ventilating for so many hours, but actually getting a very comfortable position that is okay for me has. So guys, a very comfortable position for me has enabled me to prevent any kind of body pain, be it backache or any kind of body pain, okay? So consider getting a very comfortable position. If you know that position that is very okay for you for ventilation, please continue with that position. If you normally have a backache or a body ache or a body pains, guys, I must tell you the truth, maybe the position you are using is not okay for you. So try using different positions so that you'll be able to capture the right position or the more comfortable position for you, okay? So guys, the next tip, which is the second tip, is to task yourself, okay? Set a target for yourself. In a day like this, I normally set a target for myself, and once I set a target for myself, I make sure I achieve that target, okay? So it's always good to set, as a ventilator, if you want to be ventilating fast, set a target for yourself, okay? Setting a target for yourself will enable you to task yourself to achieve that target, okay? For example, if you want to ventilate a full list, you can go ahead and set, okay, for this full list, I'm going to use 2 days for it. For this full list, I'm going to use 4 days or 3 days. If you're making use of 3 days, likewise me, sometimes if I'm to ventilate, if I task myself I'm going to finish a full list in 3 days, just so you know that the full list has three demarcations, okay? I'll just task myself for today, I must make sure that I finish the back side. Then for the next day, I'm going to finish the middle parts and then ventilate a little bit into the front, so that by the 3rd day I'll finish up. So it's good to task yourself. Tasking yourself will enable you achieve your aim, okay? So guys, the third tips or tricks on how to ventilate fast, which I'm going to share with you guys, is to take a short break, guys. That you are ventilating or you want to achieve your task, you want to achieve your aim, you want to ventilate full list in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, that doesn't mean you should not take a break, okay? I normally take a break. Whenever I'm ventilating and I feel tired or what, I'll just stand up, take a walk, stretch my body, and then come back to my work, okay? So always take a break, guys. Take a break is very, very important, okay? Whenever you are no more comfortable or you feel tired or or you just feel like you're not okay with the ventilation again, your body is kind of scratching you or whatever, you're no longer comfortable, so please guys, consider taking a break. You can just take a few minutes to walk, stretch your body, then after the break and come back to your work. So these 3 tips, okay, and the next 2 tips I'll be sharing with you guys have been helping me a whole lot. Okay, it helps me a whole lot to ventilate so fast that whenever I set my targets, okay, these 5 tips that I'm sharing with you guys helps me. Okay, it helps me a lot to achieve it. So guys, the next which is the 4th tips or tricks I'll be sharing with you guys. But guys, before that, please, I'm begging you, if you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, I make videos on ventilation, braiding, hair revamping, hair maintenance, and so many more. Okay, I have so much in stock for you guys. Please consider subscribing. Okay, so let's go to the 4th tips. So guys, for the 4th tips or tricks that helps me to ventilate faster is good lighting. Guys, if you must, please guys, take note of this. If you must work during the night, please ensure you are using a very bright light. Okay, sometimes I find out that I ventilate faster at night when using a light, because it occurs that the holes appear much wider or much bigger. Okay, I see it more clearer when I'm using a good lighting. Okay, so if you must work at night, make sure you are using a very bright light. Okay, do not stress your eyes, guys, do not stress your eyes at all. Make sure you are using a very bright light. Okay, a very good lighting for your ventilation. Okay, you don't need eyes. Okay, you don't need to stress your eyes at all, so make sure you are using a very clear brighting. So guys, the next, which is the last but not the least, is entertainment. Guys, oh my god, this is so helpful. Entertainment is so helpful for me. What does the magic for me is music, guys. Listening to music. Whenever I'm listening to cool music like this, if I'm working and ventilating, I'm listening to cool music like this, guys, forget it. Now fire down for me. Now confirm fire down for me. So better find a very good or more comfortable entertainment. It can be listening to music, can be watching videos. But if you are watching videos, guys, do not pay all attention to your video, as this will make you to kind of do some mistakes on your work. Okay, do not pay all attention to your video if you are using video. But for me personally, the entertainment that works so much well for me is music, guys. Use cool music. Whenever I'm playing cool music like this and I'm ventilating, I'm so fast. Like, when I mean fast, I'm so flat. Like, I won't even be feeling it that I'm doing any work because my music is on. So I always make sure that I have my music on when I'm ventilating, guys. I must tell you the truth, this has been working so magic for me. Okay, so guys, please, if you're finding any value from this video, consider subscribing. Okay, I'm begging you, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can suggest it to other people who might have been looking for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. So guys, these are the 5 tips, or you can call it tips, you can call it tricks. Okay, either tips or tricks that be helping me to ventilate so fast, like ventilate faster, and I decided to share with you guys. Don't forget, the 5 tips includes: 1 is a good sitting position. Okay, get a very comfortable position for you. Like I've already told you guys, the position that is more comfortable for me, so look for a position that is more comfortable for you. The second one is tasking yourself, set a goal. Third one is good lighting. The fourth one is take a short break, and the last but not the least, entertainment, guys. So guys, if you find any value from this video, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video.